Unlocking opportunities. Listen when opportunity knocks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's both inspiring and thought-provoking: opportunity knocks. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a valuable perspective on life's chances. So, let's get started and unlock the door to opportunities together. Opportunity knocks is a phrase that encapsulates the moment a chance or prospect for advancement or success presents itself. It's based on the metaphor of opportunity knocking on your door as if it were a visitor. The underlying message is that opportunities are sometimes unexpected and can come at any moment. Therefore, it's important to be ready and willing to seize them when they do appear. The phrase, opportunity knocks, doesn't have a single, traceable origin, but it has been a part of English-speaking culture for many years. It reflects the idea that luck or opportunity doesn't come around often, so when it does, it's like a rare visitor knocking on your door. The exact phrase has been popularized over time through its use in literature, speeches, and everyday conversation, embodying the optimism and readiness to act upon arising chances. Understanding how to use this phrase in conversation or writing can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Here are a few examples. They say opportunity knocks but once, so when I was offered a job abroad, I took it without hesitation. Remember, opportunity knocks at the most unexpected times. You just have to be ready to open the door. He realized that opportunity knocks only if you're listening for it, so he started to pay more attention to new possibilities. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility in discussing life decisions, career moves, or personal growth opportunities. Recognizing when opportunity knocks is crucial for personal and professional development. It involves being open to new experiences, staying positive about the future, and being prepared to take risks. Recognizing opportunities often requires a keen sense of awareness and the courage to step out of your comfort zone. Embrace the mindset that every experience, whether a challenge or a success, is a doorway to growth. Thank you for joining us to explore the meaning and significance of the phrase, opportunity knocks. Remember, opportunities may come when you least expect them, so it's essential to stay alert, open-minded, and ready to act. We hope this video has inspired you to listen closely for that knock and to seize the opportunities that come your way. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language. Here's to unlocking doors to new opportunities together.